New into inventory at JLD Auto Group is this 2015 Chevrolet Camaro Z28. This example has a stunning low 45 miles on the odometer, meaning it is presented in basically showroom, brand new condition, barely been driven or seen any road time. This example is finished in Ashen Gray Metallic, which for 2015 model year, this is only one of 128 produced in this color. The Z28 comes with the 7-liter 427 motor, which is found in a couple other GM performance vehicles through a similar year range. Also has the aluminum forged 19-inch wheels, as well as a Z28 wing and front splitter. Also on this car is the optional radio and air conditioning package, which is only one of 2 options equipped on this specific car. The other option is just a simple option of dealer-installed floor mats. As we make our way to the interior, the condition is once again immaculate with the Recaro suede and leather seats, a suede steering wheel, as well as the gear lever. Even the back seats are looking in spectacular condition. So as we make our way through the interior, take a look at the dashboard here shortly, and then wrap up the video with a startup clip of the 427 V8.